Hello everyone and welcome to another video of our BFS playlist. I'm Umang Mawani and I solve coding interview questions. To know more about me, check my LinkedIn profile mentioned in the description. Today's problem is average of levels in a binary tree. It is an easy category problem, so let us quickly read the description. Given the root of the binary tree, return the average value of the nodes on each level in the form of an array. Answers within 10 raised to minus 5 of the actual answer will be accepted. Example. On level 0 we have 3 whose average will be 3. On level 1 we have 9 and 20 whose average is 9 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 14.5. On level 2 we have 15 plus 7 divided by 2, that is 11. In example 2 again we have same example, 3, 9 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 14.5, and 15 plus 7 divided by 2, that is 11. So if you notice, this problem follows the binary tree level order traversal pattern that we saw in the first video. So we can follow the same BFS approach. The only difference will be that instead of keeping track of all the nodes of level, we will only track the running sum of the value of all the nodes in each level. And in the end, we will append the average of that particular level into the result array. Let us see the code and you'll understand it better. So at first, let us declare the result variable that we will return in the end. And now, to sanity check if the result is null, we will simply return it. If not, let us declare the queue of type tree node and let us add the root into the queue. Now we know while queue is not empty, we have to perform some operations. So the first is declaring level size for the size of a queue. Now we introduce one more variable, level sum, of the type double, because we want to calculate the average of that particular level and give it back to our result array. Now we will write the for loop, that is starting from 0 up to the size of the level. We will poll the element and keep it in a current node. Now we keep on adding the value of our current node to the level sum, and after that we check if the current node dot left is not null, we add it into our queue. Same, if the current node dot right is not null, we add it into our queue, and the for loop is completed. After this for loop, we will have the sum of the particular level in this level sum. So to take the average, we will have to divide it by the size of a level and add it into the result array. And once the while loop is completed, we will simply return the result. Now, let me explain it again. First, we will declare the result variable. If the result is null, we simply return it. If not, we declare our queue and add root into the queue. Now, while the queue is not empty, we perform some operations. We take the size of a queue, we declare level sum variable, and we write our for loop. For that particular level size, we poll the current node, we add its value to the level sum, and if its left and right is not null, we add it into the queue. After the for loop, in a level sum variable, we will have the total sum value. So to take out the average, we divide it by level size and add it into the result. And once the while loop is done, we simply return the result. Now let me try to run this code. It is accepted. Let us submit it, and it's a success. So the time complexity of this algorithm is O of n, where n is the total number of nodes in the tree. This is due to the fact that we traverse each and every node. And the space complexity of the algorithm will be again O of n, which is required for our queue. Since we can have maximum of n by 2 nodes at any level, therefore we will need O of n space to store them into the queue. So guys, I hope you understood this problem, and if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.